In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an open house using Zillow. If you're on the hunt for your dream home, attending an open house can be an eye-opening experience. Zillow makes it incredibly simple to find these events. Let's dive in and explore how you can take advantage of this feature on Zillow. First, you'll want to hop onto your computer and go to Zillow's homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account. Logging in ensures that you can save your searches, receive updates, and more importantly, keep track of listings that catch your eye. Now that you're logged in, on the top menu of the website, you'll see the option for Buy. Click on that. Zillow's interface offers both buying and renting options, but today we're going to focus on the buying side, which is a bit more common for those interested in open houses. Once you've clicked on Buy, you'll notice a list of homes that are available for sale in your area. This is where the magic begins. There's an array of filters available to narrow down your search, but today we are zeroing in on open houses. For more options, click on the More tab, which will lead you to additional filters. This is really where you can refine your search to suit your specific needs. Scroll through these options until you find the section labeled Tour. This part is key because it includes the open house filter we're looking for, and under the Tour section, you'll see a checkbox for Must Have Open House. Go ahead and click that box. This action will filter the listings to only show homes that have open houses scheduled. Typically, these are marked on Zillow with specific dates and times when you can visit the property. After you've selected the open house option, scroll down and you'll see an Apply button. Clicking this will refresh the listings to reflect your new filters. Now you'll see a curated list of homes that not only meet your general criteria, but also have open houses you can attend. We've just gone through using Zillow to find open houses. This method can help you easily get a sense of the market and perhaps discover the home you've been dreaming of. Being able to visit these open houses is an excellent opportunity to explore homes in person, gauge your interest, and ask questions directly to agents, all of which are crucial steps in the home buying process. Thanks for joining me today. Exploring open houses has never been easier, thanks to Zillow. I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy house hunting!